Ooh, welcome, man. Hey, it's been a minute since I did. Whoa, what is my man here? Since I did a nosy 30. Oh, this is diesel. This is 3500. What is this? Cummins diesel. Yeah, I don't know what he doing. He's always up to some heavy diesel trickery, foolishness going on. But let's go down here, guys. I think I saw a Hemi down here with some teardown. Oh, here's one here. Ooh, that's camshaft. Now, which car is this for? I see a camshaft headset. I'm sure it's some lifters down there and a radiator. That has to be for this charger right here, guys. Oh no. Yep, a ticker. Ticker. What they did was tear down, guys. You do not know the extent of the damage until you tear it down. Now, which side would you tear down? That's based on your trained ear, guys. Now, this Hemi is equipped with MDS solenoids, guys. The thinking goes, or the saying goes, those are the ones that's failing. I beg to differ. I want to say those are the ones that's failing the most. Okay, the average one. Matter of fact, every one I've done was equipped with was this setup. Okay, where's the damage? Which one was it? All right. Those look fine. Let me see this. Right here, guys. Yep, that's your ticker. Yep, and I assume what we doing now, guys, we taking a little bore scope or some kind of light scope down there. Sometimes they won't even look. They just assume. If you see this, guys, if you see scratches on the edge of this, see like this, that came from somewhere. Now, if you pull these out and the bearings or the roller bearing just going up and down, there's no scratches on here, you might. I don't know. It's still kind of risky. That's why you need to get down in there and see. Now, teardown time is supposed to consist of removing the camshaft, but no sense in doing that when you automatically know you're gonna need a camshaft based off the appearance of this lifter right here. The scratches on the edge. That dug, I guarantee you, this scratched into the surface of that lobe and likely ruined that lobe. We'll know once you get it off, but these guys are good. They fast on this stuff, man. Man, I get this question all the time. Well, what can you do to prevent it? Man, I don't want to put myself out there like that. I mean, everybody have their own opinion. It's a gazillion Hemi videos out there on YouTube. Everybody has their take on what happened. A lot of people call them a fatal flaw. How's this a fatal flaw of the engine when all we're doing here is merely replacing these are updated. The ones we're going to go in with have been revised, guys. So these are better lifters we're putting in, and we have no choice but to put the camshaft in because it's damaged from this. All right, so hypothetically, one can argue if you have one of these designs, just pull the heads and go ahead and put lifters in it, you should never have a ticking problem. So with that being known and said, one could assume this is the problem, right? Now again, everybody gonna have their own take on it, okay? But as far as fatal flaw, oh my God, it's a fatal flaw. Oh, I can't believe Chrysler. If it was such a fatal flaw, all right, I mentioned this in another video, guys. If it was a fatal flaw, these would be coming back after we replace these parts, because what we're doing now is replacing parts. We're going back in with new updated lifters and a new camshaft, and that's it. We likely will never see this car again for ticking. So one can argue that this is your main problem, not that there's a fatal flaw in the engine. But I can't put myself out there like that and say that, because it's called an opinion. And it is my opinion. All right, so it may differ from other techs' opinion, but I don't know, guys. This topic's been up for debate. Guy uses special tool to get it off, guys. I love it, guys. You know what, there's a special tool out there. My next stud broken job, I'm gonna pull that tool out and show y'all. It's a plate that we set on the head, and now off the car it's fairly easy, but I want to use that tool on the car. 1500 or something like that. Those are the ones that's breaking a lot. I want to use that tool and show y'all how neat it is. All right, you have a better chance of getting that stud out, even if it's broken flesh. What's wrong with this camshaft? See, that's the only reason I can see this cam. Oh, right here. So why are they keeping it? Ooh, 2 of them. Oh, good lord. I don't know why we keep cams. So yeah, that scratch on that rocker, on that lifter. This is what it. And guys, you see this? This stuff is somewhere in that engine. And I'm gonna tell you where it's at. It's in your oil pan. So if you was a smart, wise guy, you would drop that oil pan and get these shavings out of there before they circulate back through the engine. All right. But yeah, that's what's up with this, guys. I saw ooh, here go another Hemi. This is one of the older model Hemi. Not really old, 6'1". All right. I'm not sure what's going on with this, but guys, I want to talk to you about this this charger, okay, with this Hellcat in it. That's supercharger. I don't want to put the customer car, so I'm gonna refrain from showing the car, just the motor. All right, so just know that it's an SRT charger. All right, now this. Let me put this out there, or let me get some opinions, because I'm not a pro. I don't know. Was this really needed for such a powerful engine as this? Was this cold air intake K&N, was it really needed, or is it needed? Anybody out there have this style setup, the supercharger Hemi setup, and did you by any chance feel the need to install a cold air intake or this K&N setup here? All right, I'm just curious. I don't know. I just want to know. Okay. In other words, what's the typical original factory setup not good enough? Everything has an advantage. I mean, this could be basically for appearance. I don't know. It could be an appearance thing. It might look cool to the customer, and the customer like, I want it. I don't care if I need it or not. I want it. So I'm just curious, man. I'm just curious. Is this making any difference to this vehicle's performance? That is up for debate, guys. I do not know. All right. So, what else? What else in here? I don't want to be too nosy, okay? Let's go this way.